Well, you can sit in it like this, or oh no, I don't get it.
That has to be up brown.
Oh, it does. Or no, it's not that either.
Yeah, those upside down.
It's perfect. I'm just gonna take a nap.
You look good, babe.
It's a complicated chair. It's a contraption is what it is.
You could get hurt in that thing.
I'll just test it out today and see if I can figure it out.
All right. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Been a while. We've been once again a little bit slow in videos. We've been busy, but we just, for some reason, it's really strange to this non-nomadic life for us. It's been very different to add in the filming that we normally do, and we keep saying we're gonna do better at it, but we don't. We did some stuff though.
We did. We went out to the Volusia Speedway and watched the Dirt Track Nationals.
That's crazy.
It is crazy. There's so much mud and rubber that flies. Like, you're just filthy by the time you leave. But it's, and the noise level of the cars that race around there.
Yeah, tip of the day, take earplugs with you.
Yeah, check it out. So Dave, you were involved in stock car racing when you were a teen? Or?
Well, my brother, when him and his friends, he's just a year older than me, and when we were, I don't know, teenagers, still in school, him and his friends built a stock car. We had a local small town in Montana. We had a small stock car track, and they built I don't remember what kind of car it was, but it was a big old boat, and it was the bomber class, which is pretty much anything it's basically stock for the most part. And I was in the pit crew a few times, and then I got to race in the pitman race, which was really cool. And it was kind of funny because my friend and I painted it for him, and they wanted it painted like a no black and white police car, and so it was all black with the white doors. I think we painted the fuzz on the doors. It's so cheesy.
Where did that nickname come from, the fuzz? I wonder.
I don't know.
Someone needs to Google that. Get back to us.
So it was a lot of fun, and so it brought back a lot of memories to see that racetrack. But we weren't going quite that fast.
Oh my gosh, that was
crazy.
Wild.
Yeah, I hope the video shows exactly how crazy that is. I've been to motorcycle races at the Laguna Seca Raceway in Monterey, California area, and that's crazy too. But just those cars sliding in the dirt, and it was a different atmosphere. Mm-hmm. It was cool.
It was fun for sure.
We've been to the beach a little bit.
We took a trip to the beach now. It was warm where we're staying, and then we got to the beach and it was kind of cold, which is the way it goes on the beach sometimes. But yeah, we had a fun day on the beach. Check it out. Didn't you love that crab? I think it was trying to attack you.
What was funny is I was just barefoot in the sand, and I was just kind of wiggling my foot down in the sand, and I think I scared it as much as it scared me, because all of a sudden that crab came right on top of my foot, right on the top of my foot, my ankle, and took off, and
then you guys had to stand
yeah,
up.
we had to go toe to toe for a minute there. But
So we've been doing things like that. Now, here in a few days, I am going to Epcot Center
she's leaving me.
with Chris and Chris's daughter Cassie. Brian and Dave are staying behind to take care of the pups, so it's a bit of a drive, and then we want to spend all day there, and we can't take dogs, and so
Divide and conquer.
I've never been to Epcot. I've never been to Disney World at all, so I'm pretty excited to go. It's going to be a lot of food, I think. So.
Yeah, so her and Chris were going through all the places to see in Epcot, and Chris and Brian, they go quite a bit because it's not far from here, and so she knows everything about the area, all the places to go. And
Yeah.
Irene was like looking at all the food choices they want to make. I'm like, you're there one day, and she had,
I'm going to make the most of it.
like, she picked the meals for like a week.
The meals, but it's like little tasters and stuff as you go around. And I've never had Dole Whip. Have you ever had Dole Whip, you guys?
What's Dole Whip?
I think it's like soft serve with pineapple in it. It's like a Disneyland, Disney World thing. Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
I hear it's amazing, so I'm going to try that too. So I'm going to take you guys along. I'm definitely going to take a camera to that, show you what it's like. Because I've never been. I want to know what it's like, so I'd like to see that anyway. So that's coming up quick.
The other big thing is we have a buyer for the van.
Yes.
And she's up in Rhode Island, and everything's going good so far. Looks like the financing is so far so good. So if that all goes through, we'll be without this next week.
Yeah, she's gonna fly down and then take it back. Really, really, the van's going to a good home.
Yeah, we're excited. It's
It makes me happy.
Yeah, it's so strange. It's not like just selling a car you've owned. It's like, I don't know. It's just done. This van home has done so much for us and taken us so many places. It's kind of strange.
It's going to be weirder selling this and seeing it drive down the road with somebody else than it is selling any house that we've sold.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. But yeah, so Irene and the buyer, they chat quite a bit, and
yeah.
So we're excited that it's going to go to someone who really appreciates it and enjoys it like we did. So.
Yeah. So it's happening also in the next week or so. So we are going to be without our old van and without our new van yet. I know George is working overtime as fast as possible, and it's just, there's so much finishing work to do, and then also relying on other people's schedules for countertops and electrical things and that kind of stuff. So we'll just get it when we get it.
We'll get it when we get it, I guess. So
definitely in a limbo situation, and we'll be without a car. Now we can rent a car for sure, but we haven't even been driving. This has just been kind of sitting waiting for her to come get it too. So the car hasn't been necessary yet, but we may get a car at some point and go take off and do something, just depending on the timeline. So
yeah. So when we hear more of a timeline update, we'll make sure we'll let you know. So
yeah, for sure. So yeah, just stay tuned. That's kind of our update for now. And
so she's gonna be filming Epcot, and I don't know what Brian and I are gonna do when you're gone, other than walk. We'll just walk dogs.
It'll be a day full of debauchery, I'm sure.
Yeah. No.
All right, we miss you guys. We miss filming, but as soon as we get our van, we'll be back to it 100%. So.
And we'll be back to it before the van.
We will.
Yeah. We just need to get back in the groove. We've been having fun. It's just
Yeah. And Pistol misses you guys too.
Yeah.
But she's having fun too. She's really confused about what's happening because we're staying in the guest room. We're not in the van. And whenever we come to the van, she's really excited.
Yeah, it's sad.
It is sad.
She's like, I'm ready to go places.
Yeah.
I want to go hiking. And
we know how you feel, baby. We know. We'll get there. But she's getting lots of walks in around here and stuff. So she's doing good. We're all good.
Yeah, everything's good.
The people we're staying with, Brian and Chris, have been amazing, and they are going on a little trip coming up, and we are going to be watching their wiener dogs while they're gone, so that'll be fun.
Yeah, just like with us, they have 2 dogs, and so there's times that they would like to go do something that they can't take their dogs with, so they can't go. So we're like, hey,
Now's the time to go. So go, because we
go.
can watch your pup.
So I guess
Whoop! We're out of here. That's our cue.
we're gonna do another update in a more timely manner. So anyway,
Maybe.
we will.
We'll see you when we see you.
No, we will.
Carry on.
Carry on.
You don't like it. What do you think, Crystal? I don't think she likes that chair. It's either all the way back or all the way up. Yeah. It's good for nap time there.